Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a question from GATE 2013 on the topic LU decomposition. So here is our question. The matrix A is given and it can be decomposed uniquely into the product of L and U. So what is L and U? L is a lower triangular matrix of this form and U is an upper triangular matrix of this form. Now we have to find the solution of the system Lx equals to this. So it is clear that we have to find the matrix L from this A equals to L2. Then we have to find the solution of this system. So let's find the matrix L. So we are given that A equals to L2, sorry LU. So we will write it like the matrix A is equals to the matrix L. The matrix L is given like this: 1 0 0, L2 1, L3 1, 1 0, L3 2, 0, and the upper triangular matrix U is U1 1, U1 2, U1 3, 0 0, U2 2, U2 3, 0, U3 3. Now we have to do the simple matrix multiplication at first. Then we will get at the right hand side. I will write only the right hand side. U1 1, U1 2, U1 2, U1 3. The second row I will get in the second row is L2 1, U1 1. Second element will be L2 1, U1 2 plus U2 2. Third element be L2 1 plus U1 3 plus U2 3. In third, L3 1, U1 1. Then L3 1, U1 2 plus L3 2, U2 2. And the last element will be L3 1, U1 3 plus L3 2, U2 3 plus U3 3. Now we have to compute the matrix L. So we have to find the values of this unknown from comparing these two sides. After comparing the first row, we will get U11 is equals to 1, U12 is equals to 2, and U13 is equals to 0. Now we have to see the second row. From second row, I will get L21, U11 is equals to 1. So if we put the value of U11, we will get L21 equals to 1. Then L21, U12 plus U22 is equals to 3. If we put the value, we will get 2 plus U22 equals to 3. It gives U22 as 1. Then L21 plus into U13 plus U23 is equals to 1. It gives U23 is equals to 1. Then from the last row, we will get L31, U11 equals to 0. As U11 is 1, so L31 is 0. Then L31, U12 plus L32, U22 is equals to 1. It will give the L32 equals to 1. And for the last value, we will use L31, U13 plus L32, U23 plus U33 is equals to 3. It will give us U33 is equals to 2. Now from this unknown, we have already computed the matrix L. So our matrix L is 1 0 0, L21 is 1, then again 1 0, L31 is 0, L32 is 1 0. Sorry, this is 1. Now we have to find the solution of the system Lx equals to 1 2 2. So let's write as L is 1 0 0, 1 1 0, 0 1 1. Suppose the x vector is x, x1, x2 and x3. Be our solution of the system is equals to 1, 2 and 2. Now computing this, we will get x1 plus x2, x2 plus x3 is equals to 1, 2 and 2. Now if we compare the both sides, we will get x1 equals to 1, and from x1 plus x2 equals to 2, if we put the value of x1, we will get x2 equals to 1, then x2 plus x3 equals to 2, we will get x3 equals to 1. So we get that the solution of the system is 1 1 1. So let's see which option is correct. So here option A is the correct answer.